If you're looking for a way to automate task creation in Process.st, you've come to the right place. In this quick guide, I'm going to walk you through how you can streamline your workflows and save valuable time by setting up automation in Process.st. Stay tuned, because at the end of this video, I've got a special offer for you to try the software for free with some exclusive bonuses. Process.st is a powerful workflow management tool that allows you to automate repetitive tasks and processes. It's designed to help you create structured checklists for any kind of task, and once you set it up, it can automatically create tasks, trigger actions, and ensure nothing slips through the cracks. The first thing you want to do is create a new template. This will be the blueprint for all your tasks moving forward. Within the template, you can set up multiple steps, and you'll notice the option to automate certain actions as you go along. To automate task creation, you need to use the automation feature in Process.st. Start by creating a template that includes all the steps of your process. Once your steps are in place, you can add tasks under each step. Now, here's the magic. You can set up automations to trigger actions based on certain conditions. For example, you can configure Process.st to create tasks automatically when a previous step is completed, or even when a specific date or time is reached. To get started, click on the Automation button at the top of your template. This opens up the automation settings, where you can create rules based on specific triggers. A trigger could be something like when a task is completed, when a field is filled out, or when a certain time passes. Now, you'll want to select your trigger condition. Let's say you want a task to be created whenever a certain step is marked as complete. You simply choose the trigger condition and specify the action that should follow. In this case, the action is creating a new task automatically, saving you the time and effort of manually adding it. You can also set up more complex workflows by combining multiple triggers and actions. For instance, if you're working on a sales pipeline, you can automate task creation for each stage of the sales process, like automatically assigning follow-up tasks when a deal progresses to the next stage. One of the most useful features is the ability to assign tasks to specific team members based on the template. When a task is automatically created, Process.st can assign it to the right person based on your settings, ensuring that the right person always gets the right task at the right time. Process.st also integrates with other apps like Zapier, which means you can extend your automation even further. For example, you could set up a Zap that creates tasks in Process.st whenever a new lead comes in from your CRM. By using these automations, you can cut down on the manual work involved in your processes and create a smooth, seamless workflow. Whether you're running a marketing campaign, managing client projects, or handling employee onboarding, Process.st makes it easy to automate and stay organized. If you're new to Process.st, you'll find that the user interface is super easy to navigate. Plus, the automation features don't require any technical knowledge to set up. Just a few clicks and your tasks are automated and ready to go. Remember, you can try Process.st for free right now through the exclusive link in the description below. I've also secured some bonus features for you, so don't miss out on this offer. To recap, you can automate task creation in Process.st by setting up triggers and actions within templates. This saves you time and keeps your workflow efficient. Don't forget to check out the free trial with our special bonus. Thanks for watching, and make sure you hit that link below to get started today.